3 bikes we've ordered, we only received one from Rad Power Bikes, and that's my red wagon. So we tried to order another one, and it's been 2 months. Still haven't gotten one. So we ended up going to the store and buying a regular bike. And we're going to put it together and see what we can do about making it an electric bike. Because now you can't order one on Amazon or the Walmart website or anywhere else. Because I've tried, and you wait a month and don't get it, and then you have to get your money back and start over. So we're going to go this route and see how this works. So hang in there with us. Watch us take this Schwinn bike out of the box and put it together. It did come from from Walmart. I wish Kmart was still around. And it's just a regular bike that we're going to try to make an electric bike out of. But for this episode, we're just going to put this bike together and see if it's worthy of making an electric bike out of it. So hang in there and watch us take this thing out of the box and put it together. pedals easy. It's fast. This was one that's already electric. We're gonna make that one electric. We gotta order a kit for it. But on this one, even if you have the key off and you're trying to pedal it and using it for just a regular bike, it's always trying to charge the battery, which is always hard to pedal. This is always hard to pedal unless you have it at least on one on the pedal assist. Other than that, it's hard to pedal. These that don't have anything on them, they will coast, they will go good, no problems, go as fast as you can pedal. This is 21 speeds, this is 7 speeds. So anyway, that's the difference between the two bikes. Also, this is a $200 bike, the Swin Sidewinder, and the Rad Wagon is a $1,600 bike. So, you know, if you can buy one of these bikes and turn it into an electric bike for another 500 bucks, that means you got 700 in it. And you can't order one and buy one for that right now because nobody will deliver one to you. That was my experience. I couldn't get nobody to deliver one. Anyway, I'll have more video on the trail and showing you guys more things about these bikes. You guys have a great day, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and I'll have another video for you soon. You guys hang in there and happy riding.